What's up, family? It's Simon here. I wanted to share with you about solar. I've been selling and installing solar for the last 1.5 year, and then the the previous year I decided to install one for myself too. So I want to show you what I have around and invite you, to call us for your solar installation or just solar advice in general. So this is my rooftop, and this is the solar panels. I've had this for a year, and I think it's now okay for me to review it and my experience for the whole year. Now these solar panels, this is a 550 watts each. I have 10 of them, 550 watts. I have 10, one here, there, and then here, 10 of them for 550 watts. They are connected in series, you know, series because I need more current. Now if you come here, this water heater, solar water heater, this one is from India. The solar and the batteries that I'll show you, the batteries are from UK and the solar panels too are from UK. This one is from India, and I was just up here checking if there's any corrosion or any dirt blocking water, and it's very fine, so this is the setup on the rooftop. You can see. So in here I have the inverter. This is 8 kVA inverter that is running this solar. This inverter has two phase. That means you can put two input. That is, you can have two setups, different setups of solar. Maybe you have one solar from the rooftop and then another solar from maybe car park or car shade. And then on this solar, you can also have two outputs. Now, if you look here, we have a changeover switch. This is an automatic changeover switch, but you can operate it manually. You can put it on KPLC or inverter, and then you can also just set it on, and then it will adjust itself when there is low batteries. It will switch itself off, and then you use Kenya Power Direct, or it can also top up the batteries from Kenya Power before. Since the inverter is very intelligent, it can tell your usage plus what's left in the batteries, and then it will charge with Kenya Power, so it tops up the batteries. Now, if you come to the batteries, I have 8 200 mAh batteries. These ones are gel batteries, meaning you can't put things like coils over them on them directly, because that will destroy the cells. But there are 8 gel batteries, 200 mAh, all from UK, and they are doing the job perfectly fine. When they are fully charged, I can do a lot of things with them. Actually, they run the whole house completely off grid, unless there is very, very bad weather. So I'll go in and try and show you the load that we have. From here, you can see we have the washing machine. This washing machine is purely on solar. It's running on solar. It's not connected on Kenya Power. And it's working
here we
like
have the
twice a day.
microwave.
Now here we
This
have
is on
microwave,
solar.
we
We
have
have the toaster, it's on
dispensers, two
solar.
dispensers, we have
We
a bread
have
toaster,
we have actually
actually
three
we have
water
three
dispensers
dispensers
that are
plus one
all
in the
on
office.
solar, running on
These are
solar.
running 24/7.
And then we have
And then this side, now this
here
line I put it on Kenya Power.
the oven and
This
the
is oven
microwave, and then this cooker. These ones
I'll tell you
run
why.
on
Why these ones
the
are
hood.
Kenya Power direct.
They run
not
on
going through the batteries.
these ones run on our CCTV setup and lights. Hi, Maria. Yeah, Maria is doing exam, and then we have all the lighting.
So on the outside, I made this simple outlet. I'll make it better, but for now it works. I use it to charge the car. This is a plug-in hybrid that can go up to 80 kilometers on charge. Now it's been charging on sun directly. Like now when the sun is up, it's charging directly from the sun. The inverter can either do both. It can charge the battery and serve the house during the day. So it's charging on sun, and then at night you can also charge it overnight with the batteries. It's good enough for that. Yeah, you can see it's charging. Yeah, that's it. So if you have questions, you can ask me. Now, let me just break down. Installing such a system can be very expensive at the beginning. That is the setup. But if you look at it long run, it's a very good investment and it saves a lot. Now, for instance, this one, I'm expecting to recover it back in less than 3 years. But the system can set, without changing anything, it can serve me for 7 years. After 7 years, I will just change the batteries. The panels will still work. So you can see the much I'll save. Now, my neighbors around here, most of them pay between 18,000 to some pay 35,000 per month for KPLC, while I pay not a maximum of 500. On the highest month, that is when we use oven. I have 3 water pumps, and then if I use the water pumps and the oven and everything, I would be paying around 4,000 for the month. That is very high for me, and you can see the difference. Okay, so the things I would like to change on this setup is the batteries. If you want to use completely solar, you want to go off grid completely, then you better go for we call them lithium ion batteries. Now, these lithium ion batteries are not destroyed by things like the coil, heater coil. That's one thing that's very dangerous for this type of batteries. But if you want to use such things, or just put everything on solar, then I would advise you go for lithium ion, which is slightly expensive than these ones, but it will serve you for longer than these, because these ones work for 7 years, 6 to 7 years, but lithium ion can go 10 to even 20 years, depending on how you are using them or how they are set up. That's also very important. Yeah, so if you want to get yourself a solar, I would be willing to come with my team, and we assess your place, and then we give you a very nice quote, very reasonable prices, with very clean job. Now, this setup was done when we were just starting. I was just starting to get into solar, but now I have more than a year experience, and I've learned a lot during the time, and we're still learning. But yeah, see you guys.